It's the last day of veganuary, and after almost getting kicked out of the baking tent with yesterday's Rubik's Cube, I thought I would try to redeem myself with a showstopper. I am making a Sarlacc Pit from Star Wars because the thing about veganuary is that you can adapt almost any recipe, and now that you've tried it, maybe you feel better, maybe you feel a little more healthy, but 100% for sure you have been kind to 30 animals this month, and 100% sure you also saved 273 kilograms of CO2 emissions, 84 square meters of forests, and 125,000 liters of water. Isn't that crazy? And that feels pretty good. In the current political climate, when right-wing anti-biodiversity and anti-climate is on the rise, sometimes the only way we can help is to change ourselves. It's okay if you messed up, if you broke down and had a grilled cheese while you were out, or forgot and ate a chocolate bar a friend gave you. It's not about how perfect you were. The important thing is you're trying your best. It's okay if you watched other people try it. It's not too late to do it for February, because we have a planet to save. And if we wait for our governments and businesses to do it for us, we are going to be waiting a long time. You can do this. You can help save our beautiful planet. Also, tomorrow is the 3rd anniversary of my YouTube channel, Children's Climate Championship. And I'm getting really close to 1,000 subscribers. And I'd love it if you'd be one of them, so please subscribe. Anyways, here's the recipe for the Sarlacc Pit. To make it, to celebrate 3 years of climate communication, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius and grease a bundt cake pan really well. In a small bowl, combine 45 milliliters of chia seeds and 135 milliliters of water. Set aside. In a small bowl, whisk together 225 milliliters of oat milk and 15 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, and set it aside too. In a medium bowl, whisk together 750 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 7 milliliters of baking powder, 4 milliliters of baking soda, and 5 milliliters of salt. With an electric mixer and a paddle attachment, beat 250 milliliters of unsalted vegan butter at room temperature, with 180 milliliters of both white and brown sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add the chia mixture 1 spoonful at a time on low. Then make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then add 15 milliliters of vanilla extract and mix on low. Add 1/3 of the flour mixture, then add half of the buttermilk. Repeat and end with the final third of the flour, mixing until just combined. Pour into the bundt cake and bake for 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. While the cake is cooling, we are going to make madeleines to use for the decorations. In a small bowl, combine 30 milliliters of chia seeds and 90 milliliters of water. Now set that aside. Turn the oven up to 375 Fahrenheit or 195 Celsius. Grease and flour a madeleine pan. In a food processor, blend a package of Biscoff cookies into crumbs. Set aside. Beat the chia mixture and 160 milliliters of brown sugar together until thick. Beat in 10 milliliters of vanilla extract and 0.5 milliliters of salt. Sift together into a bowl 125 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 125 milliliters of Biscoff cookie crumbs, 1 milliliter of baking powder, and a pinch of cinnamon. Pour in 125 milliliters of vegan butter while mixing. Now add into your chia seed mixture. Mix on low until just combined. Spoon a tablespoon of batter into the madeleine molds. Bake for 13 minutes or until lightly golden brown. For the cookie tentacles, pour some of the leftover madeleine batter into a small piping bag and pipe tentacles on a parchment paper or cookie sheet. Don't make them too thick because the batter spreads as it bakes. Bake at the same 375 Fahrenheit or 195 Celsius for a few minutes until golden brown. While cookies are cooling, we are going to make royal icing and caramel sauce. For the royal icing, add 5 milliliters of white vinegar to a mixing bowl. Pour in 60 milliliters of aquafaba and mix on medium-high speed with a whisk attachment until foaming. Turn off and add 450 grams of powdered sugar. Turn the mixer on low until the sugar is mostly incorporated into the aquafaba. Lift the whisk to check the consistency. We're going for an Elmer's white glue kind of consistency. Scrape the sides. Once you've got it, add 5 milliliters of vanilla. For the caramel sauce, in a small pan, add 250 milliliters of coconut cream and 180 milliliters of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. Heat over medium-high, stirring constantly while the coconut cream melts. The mixture will get bubbly and almost foamy. Lower the heat to a simmer and stir frequently for about 7 minutes. Now to the decorating. Once the cake has cooled, drizzle the entire cake with caramel sauce and cover the cake with some of the Biscoff cookie crumbs. Using a handful of raw almonds, create the teeth on the interior walls of the pit. Using a small piping tip, create teeth along the outer edge of 2 Madeleine cookies. Place inside of the pit, like in a V shape, to create kind of this jaw. Surround the mouth or beak or whatever it honestly is with cookie tentacles and Lego guys if you have them. Alright, it's time to dig in. This looks super good. That is really good. That is amazing, actually. They taste kind of gingery. Finally done, veganuary. Thank you for watching my second year. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.